Imagine society as a complex machine, humming along until, one day, it begins to falter. This breakdown often happens in three distinct phases. In the first phase, stressors emerge. Economic instability, political discord, or environmental challenges pressurize the social fabric. Phase 2 unfolds as these unresolved tensions fracture institutions, weakening governance and public trust. During this time, essential services might crumble as panic and insecurity spread among the populace. Finally, in Phase 3, the societal structure collapses. Chaos ensues, marking the dissolution of order and control. Each phase intensifies the strain on society, ultimately propelling it into a state of disorder. Understanding these phases helps us recognize warning signs and perhaps even steer towards recovery before collapse becomes irreversible. Stay vigilant, for an informed society is a resilient one.